Hello everyone, I'm Hazel, an education advisor, and if you are confused between ACCA and CA, then you are not alone. Many students make decisions based on half knowledge. Let's clear everything in the next few minutes.
See, ACCA is one of the fastest growing global finance qualifications right now. But is it really worth it? Let's break down everything you need to know about ACCA, from its scope and demand to salary and career opportunities. ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. It's a UK-based global qualification recognized in over 180 countries, and it focuses on accounting, finance, taxation, auditing, and business strategy, basically preparing you for real-world finance rules. If we will talk about the demand, then the ACCA professionals are highly demanded by MNCs and top firms like the Big Four because businesses today operate globally and need professionals who understand international accounting standards. So, with ACCA, you are not limited to India. You can explore opportunities in the UK, Dubai, Europe, and many other countries. Now, let's focus on salary. See, in reality, freshers in India usually starts around 4 to 8 LPA. But with experience and the right exposure, especially in MNCs or abroad, it can grow to 10 to 20 LPA or even higher internationally. So, it's not instant success, but the long-term growth potential is strong. ACCA includes around 13 exams and the total cost is roughly 1 to 2 lakhs depending on exemptions and coaching. And no, it's not easy. It requires consistency, discipline, and the right strategy. Now a quick comparison. ACCA versus CA. CA is highly respected in India and is more focused on Indian taxation, laws, and regulations, while ACCA is globally recognized and focuses on international accounting standards. So if your goal is to build a career mainly in India, CA is a great option. But if you want global exposure and flexibility to work abroad, ACCA has a clear advantage. ACCA is ideal if you want a global career, have an interest in finance or accounting, and don't want to limit yourself to just one country. So yeah, that's the complete picture of ACCA. But remember, your success depends a lot on the guidance and the strategy you follow. Most students start without clarity and end up wasting time and attempts. If you are serious about ACCA, I have added a recommended institute link in the description. You can check it out. And if you want a proper roadmap, just comment ACCA below. I'll help you get started. And for more real career content, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected.